Yeah, so now we will understand what is the machine learning workflow. Okay, so firstly, what we will do that here. So firstly, we collect the data. Okay, so what we do, we just gather our raw data from the database, API, files, web scraping, anywhere like wherever you want, just collect the data. The second step is clean the data. Okay, so if you'll just understand, real data is always messy, right? So you need to handle the missing value, you have to remove the duplicate, fix the error, right? So that thing we will just do in the clean data. After that, what we do, we split the data. So we, this is very important, by the way, splitting the data. What we do, we split our data in the two parts. So the, first one is the training and the another one is the test part. Okay, so 80% of the training data we keep for the training data, and 20% we just keep for the testing purpose. Okay, and the model learns from the training data, and performance we check from the test data. I hope you get it right. So this is very important concept, split, we have to split the data. After that, what we do the train, we train the model after that. So we feed the training data into the machine learning algorithm. Okay, and the model learns the pattern. So we have the different kind of machine learning models, right? We have the decision tree, random forest, knn, linear regression. So we have different kind of model is available in the machine learning, from the where we train our model based on the data. After that, what we do is in step 5 we evaluate that. So we evaluate the accuracy, right? How our model is performing based on the test data. Okay, is the accuracy is good or not, right? That we can do in the evaluate part. After that, what we do in the step 6, we tune the model. We see that if our performance is not that great, again, we adjust the parameter, like we adjust some kind of the different setting, or maybe we adjust the features, we just add some more features or remove some features, or maybe we just we apply the different algorithm, okay, in the tune model. And finally, when we are happy with our performance, when then we will deploy our model to the production so that real users can use that. Okay, so what are the common tool we use for that? So we use the Python, then skitlearn, then we use the Panda, we use the NumPy, and we use the matplot library for the visualization. Okay, I hope this is clear to you.